Before you start your therapy, you'll need to understand how to set up and use your equipment. But don't worry, ResMed Air Solutions makes things easy, so it won't take long to explain. First, take the device out of its bag. Connect the power supply and plug it in. The Humid Air heated humidifier is built into all AirSense 10 and AirCurve 10 therapy devices, so you can now enjoy the benefits of humidification in one easy-to-use system. Simply take the water tub, open it, and fill it to the maximum water level mark with distilled water. Then close the tub. Insert it into the side of the device and connect the air tubing. If your machine came with a slimline tube, simply connect it to the back of the device. If it came with a ClimateLine Air heated tube, hold it by the orange cuff, line it up with the connector port, and push it until it clicks into place. Next, attach your mask. Your device is now ready to use. All that's left to do is press start and enjoy a great night's sleep. With your device set up, it's now time to find out how it works. You'll see it has a display screen, a navigation dial, a start-stop button, and a home button. My Options lets you view and personalize your comfort settings, while Sleep Report automatically generates a summary of your last therapy session when you press stop. Your device is designed to deliver automatic comfort throughout the night, so just plug it in and you're ready to go. Each device also has a built-in ambient light sensor that adjusts the brightness of the screen based on the light in the room, while the screen's backlight turns off automatically, allowing you and your partner to rest easy throughout the night. ResMed's new Auto Ramp feature with sleep onset detection helps make therapy comfortable from the moment you press start. It works by delivering a low pressure to help you fall asleep with ease, then comfortably increases the pressure to your prescribed level the moment you fall asleep. If you're using the ClimateLine Air heated tube, your device will already be set up in Climate Control Auto mode, so you can experience therapy at the most comfortable temperature and humidity levels without having to do a thing.
Interested in this product? You can purchase or rent this item and many others from Alpine Home Medical. Visit any of our 11 locations to get yours today. Financing is available, and we accept insurance on many of our products. We're here when you need us.